In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block unwanted emails on Yahoo. If your inbox is getting cluttered with messages you don't want, Yahoo Mail gives you a few reliable tools to keep things under control. We'll walk through blocking a specific sender right from an email, managing blocks from your settings for bulk control, and using filters for more advanced, targeted blocking. By the end, you'll know exactly which option to use and why. First, let's block a sender directly from a message. Sign into your Yahoo Mail account and locate an email from the sender you want to stop. Open the message, then look for the three dots next to the sender's name. Click that More menu, choose Block, and confirm in the pop-up. From now on, emails from that sender will automatically move to your spam folder, so they won't clutter your inbox. This action affects future messages. Older emails won't disappear automatically, so you can delete those if you'd like. If you block someone by mistake, don't worry, you can remove them later in your settings. For a cleaner, more centralized approach, especially if you have multiple senders to block, use Yahoo Mail's settings. Click the gear icon in the top right corner, then select More Settings. Go to Security and Privacy, and find the Blocked Addresses section. Click Add, type the email address you want to block, or enter a domain if you need to stop everything coming from the same source, and save your changes. This method lets you manage up to 500 block addresses, and it's great because you don't have to open any suspicious emails to block them. Take a moment to double-check spelling before saving so you don't accidentally block legitimate senders. If you need broader control, filters are your best friend. Head to Settings, then More Settings, and choose Filters. Click Add New Filters, give your filter a clear name, and set your rules. For example, you can target messages from a specific sender, subjects that contain certain words, or messages that include common spam terms. Then choose what should happen to those emails: move them to spam or delete them automatically. Filters are powerful because they can catch patterns that simple blocking can't. Just be specific with your keywords to avoid catching legitimate messages that coincidentally use similar terms. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.